It is Saturday, the 29th of April, and my friend Becky is coming round to play. We've been friends on Instagram for like 6 years, maybe 7 years. I'm on my phone, which is why I keep looking over here, but the fucking camera's there. And yeah, she's coming round and we're gonna go out and get pissed and it's gonna be amazing. Just had my nails done, so I've got my fucking claws. Just matte black this time, no stickers or anything. But yeah, I am sitting on the doorstep waiting for her because her ETA is in like 6 minutes. And I wanna get her our reaction of our first meeting because like we talk on the phone all the time, but we've never met. So you're coming along for a drunken night of chaos. She's here! Edit that out, please. We're out at the bus stop with our beers. Hiya! Hiya! Becky is watching me piss.
I am watching you.
Woohoo! We're having fun. We've had a lot to drink.
She's doing my bodysuit up.
Hello. Wow. Wow. Where are we? Postles. We're in Postles.
I'm in Norwich. I don't know about you.
She's in Norwich. That is just where she is.
It's just Norwich, innit?
I can't get him. I can't get him. Boobies. I'm just scratching her. She loves it. It's Sunday. It's 11:31. We got big fucking pizzas in the car. It was so hungover.
Also was dead.
Yeah. But pizza. It's making it better.